Happy Sunday, folks. I'm a little happy camper right now because what you can see is my 5-piece countersink wood drill piece set came in, and I already placed the bigger one. I took the bigger one out and I placed it in the drill press. There it is right there. Let's turn it on. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's ready to go now. Now I can, once I finish putting some tung oil on these small pieces, you're probably wondering what are these small pieces of wood for. This Eastern red cedar wood, small pieces. You're probably wondering, what's that for? What I'm going to do with these is I'll cut these up, and these are going to be the legs for my bonsai pot. I'll cut them up once I get through using my tung oil on them. Well, once they dry tomorrow, I'll use my my nail gun to attach these to my bottom of my bonsai pot for the legs. So I have to cut them all. I have to first go ahead and stain them with tung oil first on both sides, let it all dry out, 24-hour period. And then I cut all these up into the size for the legs to go on the bottom of my wooden bonsai pot that I'm making here. And this is the bottom piece of my bonsai pot. And I'm going to take this and use my drill press to drill my drainage holes. Just like that, into that bottom piece of wood. So now I'm ready to go and to continue on finishing the journey of my first wooden bonsai pot that's coming out very well. It's coming out good. And as you can see the tone of the Eastern red cedar wood before I stain it. That's how it looks before I stain it. This is how it looks after I add the tung oil. Beautiful, ain't it? That's without the raw Eastern red cedar wood. That's how it looks when I put the tung on it. So that's the difference. So my journey continues. Everything's going AI now. A lot of these stores now, they don't want you to come to the store. A lot of these stores, they get more sales online now due to AI technology. That's why they're placing a lot of things online instead of having it in the store, because more people are shopping online now than walking into a store. So, and you see it, I see it for what I went through when I couldn't get these at Home Depot. I had to order these online. Had to order these online at their store online in order to get these shipped. That's crazy, but what they're doing is they're pushing us as customers to shop more online because they get more sales online because they're going to have more people that are online than walking into their stores. So it boosts their profits. I understand what they're doing. So, well, my journey continues. You guys have a nice day. Grow some food.